Welcome everybody. Welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Services Private Limited. So finally we got a chance to take a video and to show to the viewers of Godrej Ananda Phase 3 sample apartment. So this is a 3 BHK Jodi unit which we are looking out. We have entered. So the moment we enter, right hand side we have 2 rooms, kitchen, living area with 2 balcony. Left hand side we have 1 bedroom. This is bedroom. This is the size of bedroom, 12 by 10, and here we have a foyer type. However, since this is a Jodi unit, you will have another entry from here. Entry and exit, and 1 attached washroom. So you can, it is up to the buyer. You want to close this or you want to keep this door as it is. Right? So this is 3 BHK Jodi unit. Just look out the way they have designed. It's really attractive. And here we have the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, open kitchen, along with the utility space, separate utility space they have given here. So this is a flexi wall concept they have used. It is up to customer. If in case if you want this flexi wall, they will give it to you. Otherwise, you will have a normal wall here. It's looking spacious. Then we have the master bedroom. Master bedroom with so this is the common bedroom. Master bedroom with attached washroom along with the balcony. So for prices, you may reach us. We'll be sharing our contact number in description. Thank you so much for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive the future property updates in Bangalore. Thank you. Have a nice day, everybody.